Hi everyone, how are you doing? We just want to explain to you how to access a specific course that you have assigned to your user. If you go to the webpage stpaulsenglish.es, you can find the student area. Click on the student area, enter your username and your password, and you will find on the dashboard your course that has been assigned to you after taking the level test. Therefore, you will see either in this format, in a list format, the information about the course, the entry test, which is not a level test, which is just to know how much you improve afterwards. Therefore, you have module 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the exit test. Now, if you click on the modules, you'll find that in each module there are a number of different units, and in each unit there are the activities. Work through the units in order and you will reach your objectives. You can also have another format of looking at the page, which is up here on this toggle here, and you will find the web page in this format, which is exactly the same. Thank you very much, and a big welcome from the St. Paul's team. Enjoy studying the St. Paul's way.